Yeah, Roneta ngokudziwa chika Vathulamela vari vudori performing speaker rasbi vari vudori voita meeting neri vaipi mara vari divi vasokwamba zvine vapfuna vari vudori speaker rasbi avadivi nazori sound iconnectitwani nazori chimbira na speaker razingana. That's bullshit. Fuck that.
Whether bachifuna or even when you hate it, bachida ututara blow maraba check out kiti ya orange bachi Vathulamela Riko Zamakalanga mpoyera newa Bone bako hana musicha bachiko tenda Bala musati bamuromo mukurane Bamba swine bafuna bohangwa uribame. People listening to your words when you giving threats, acting all pussy like you on the government. But you really don't know these lives that we're living in. Talking about me is that we never got involved from there. Saying lot of shit but you're not making sense. Standing right there acting like you the man. Maybe you're a leader but you're not to my walls. Saying what you're saying like you're fighting this war. Keep the street clean cause that's what you for.
Vivana vaveni maraveni nkore wisa Toyando Thulamela na majimba Riva imbi maraveni rimapanda Ria town every day for promotion Rabadera 100 rand, just imagine Batodoranga everything, what the fuck is that? Bakola takazashwa unazine vaita Toyando Thulamela municipality Vana majimba, that's what they call a paita. You're not educated, you just full of shit. Ni ita mitangani ya benya niriviti Ni nangananga cha benya nirinangi I got big mouth and they're not that shavi. This is Bomber Power, motherfucker, suck it dick.
Liko sama na upanda Maspara we mapanda Uko kanda rina manda Zitu sibokonda Uvota rudi vota My vote is my voice Richi amba wako bonga Richi sama anga Onotoma na uvanga zirezwanga Panda vori ranga mara mavoti wako vara Akuna na mushumo wako ulanga mahara Zitezu zunudara Muzika wako bena Mangete wako tata Wari momresa zitata Zibuya wasiboni warindera richi kaka. Oh no Richi amba Votemba chihata Murayo na zikani Lingwe duvari dubisa na zigani Ngo Udo bare ya tangazi.
Yeah, Thulamela municipality. Nitongori vuza machimba, nitongori vuza chika. Ni nominate abantu vane vaimbi na vapa dzichelede. Riko tota dzichelede zashu nichiritera dziholo na peto performera. Yeah, nilichola dzichelede zashu. Nilichono ribadilisa dzi 100 randa za zisina mishumo. Ardivina zoringo dzisa gai. Ni muvuso mara ngo jechelede karine. Rine riko hustler.